Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you again a short clip taken from a long video, almost 1 hour video that I've just recorded for my subscribers, covering many markets, and you will see me introducing those markets. I'm covering in these clips the US dollar, South African rand, and some interesting situation with the stock traded in the US. The Forex pair should give you a clue as to what I think and what the market thinks in terms of the Forex angle as what is likely to happen in gold in the near term. If you like to learn more about my service, my website, please hang on. After the clip ends, I'll talk to you again. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. A few general comments before I go through the charts. I think that the US dollar is going to rebound now. I don't see yet a major bottom, but a rebound, corrective rebound, definitely. It has begun already towards the end of the week. I see still a very strong momentum in precious metals. I don't think that oil and gasoline topped, not yet. I see the bonds possibly falling with interest rate beginning to climb back up. Stock market still holding nicely, and I think there is quite good prospects for the stock market to continue higher. Okay, I have a very long list of charts, and here it goes. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Swiss franc, Australian dollar US dollar, US dollar South African rand, British pound Swiss franc. Then I've got Brent crude, gasoline, gold, silver, and then the bonds, euro bond, long yields continues chart, the UST bond, that's the June contract, the UST bond continues chart, and then the TLT, TYX, FVX, the S&P 500 cash, the S&P 400 cash, the DAX, the FTSE cash, the FTSE futures continuous contract. And I'll have a look at two specific stocks here in the rare earth domain. One is Arafura Resources, traded in Australia, and the other one traded in the US, called Rare Elements Resources. US dollar, South African rand. And that's the weekly scale. I won't go through the very long-term picture. I've gone through that on several occasions. I would just mention on the weekly scale, we are going back here to May 2010. That is the first leg down. Potential ABC looking quite good, and now we're going down. Now, is that the end of the second? We can't be sure. If it is, then we are getting ready to break under 655 and go a lot lower. I'm pretty convinced this market long term has not seen the bottom. It's got a very long way to go down. Let's see, maybe I jump to the monthly just to give you a bird's eye view of the long term here. Look, I don't know how many of you can trade it, have access to it. It does have pretty wide margins of the bid and spread. It is not something that is, you've got to take quite a bit of care trading such a thing. But as you can see where we were in previous years, and it is right here after it broke massive support line. It is under massive also overhead resistance here, denoted by the orange line. We've got a lot of room to cover here on the downside. It is a long way to go. So this is a long-term prospect. It's very interesting. Okay, now let's go to the daily. Let's jump to the daily and take a look. We had a clean run here of 5 legs. Looks to me like a C. We had a nice 5 legs down here, subdivided very well. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 4 5, nailed the bottom. And I think we have a good case here of an ABC that corrected the descent, came down again. That appears to me like it wants to go lower. It wants to maybe retest this for a few days, and then the next target will be the bottom here, 655, which in turn suggests that it is quite likely that gold and silver will continue higher. That's what I read from this chart. The The options are, of course, that this could turn into an ABC. That will give us an X, and it will run up again in another ABC, meaning the second wave in pink that I showed you is not over. Or if we get a 1-2, slump down, breaking under 655, start consolidating under 655, giving us some sort of a triangle over 3 or 4 weeks, we'd say we are on the right wave count with being 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, let's go to the 60 minutes, and here you can see why I think we have a fair chance of nailing here an ABC. Do you see this clear 3-leg move? So I'm pretty happy with this one, and this is also my best reading. Here is a 1-2. The proportions here move the labelings, but we have a 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, 3. The fourth wave ended here. Punch down 5. That could be the end of the second wave correction. Yes, could be. But if you intend to trade it, you must take into account the possibility it's going to reverse back and try to climb towards 720 as part of the second wave. If you want to have a higher probability entry point, let me show you. You've got to exercise patience. You've got to wait for it to break 680 and start consolidating under 680. Nailing clean 5 legs in ABC. Next time it breaks under the spot where it is under 680, you know it is continuing to 655. Rare element resources, again another stock that is focused on rare earth, traded in the US. The symbol is REE. That's the daily going back to 2006, and this is one interpretation that you may want to consider. That's a 1-2. I am now resolved to take all the rally that began from just above 1 up to 18. Believe it or not, spectacular rally. All of that is one leg. I think we've got here 1, 2, 3. That's a 4, clear fourth wave. That's a 5. I think we got an ABC. What is so nice about this chart? Let me show you. The amazing wonder of technical analysis. Just look at that. This is a 50% retracement, bang to the tick, and this is a line support line. And look, these two things converged almost at the same spot. And look at the rebound. This is really nice. So we got this one as a 1-2. Is that another 1-2 or is that a 3? I don't know. What I do know that appears to me now probably having nailed some sort of bottom here. I think at around 950. That's my best reading. I think that is probably looking higher. I'm not sure it's going to go straight above 18, or it's going to consolidate here for many months, maybe a year or so. If it is about delivering fourth wave, it is very likely to do that. If it is about giving us another ABC, meaning that's an ABC, that's an X, to give us another ABC, that could also be the case. That might turn into a 1-2, 1-2, in which case down the road will send the stock a lot higher. Anyway, that's a situation you may want to consider further, and that's all I have to say. Okay, so wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now. To the homepage of my website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. R.N. Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.